To allow the touch sounds when Do Not Disturb mode is activated in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Select notifications, and then scroll the notification screen. Tap Do Not Disturb, and then select alarms and sounds. On touch sounds, tap switch until blue to allow touch sounds when Do Not Disturb mode is activated, or touch switch until gray to deny. Touch switch until blue to allow, or touch switch until gray to deny. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.